Well, hello, welcome to Worldwide RV here in Mesa, Arizona. Today we are going to take a quick sneak peek at 2025 interior design. So if the interior is what you want to see, this is the video for you. It's going to make your camping experience exceptionally luxurious. So I can't wait to show you all the new things and of course all the traditional things that Jayco is known for. So stick around if you want to see the new interior design of our 2025 Greyhawk XL 32U. All right, you ready for your sneak peek? Check out this bunk area. Okay, not only do you have your amazing window here, so when you're at the Grand Canyon, you pull right up and you get to enjoy this. Don't forget about the overhead lighting and your 40-inch TV. Now, your visor will be controlled by a switch, so don't worry about having to pull that down. Now, one of the things I like about this is that not only is it a bunk, but it is also great for storage. Jayco has always been innovative with their design. We are going to look at all of the new interior designs that they have going on here. So from storage, we don't want to forget about our overhead storage, our kitchen storage, but let's just start with the dinette. Not only is this going to be your dinette, but it can fold down also. You can use it for a dog bed or even for children to just hang out and relax with you while you hang out at your theater seating. These will be able to go ahead and recline. You can have a conversation, sit here with hubby. So don't forget about your cup holders here. We do have some added storage as well. Quite a kitchen, you're gonna have some added counter space. But can I just talk to you about this sink? Not only is it almost elbow deep, but also you have that nice black finish and the stainless steel. Moving on, you do have ample storage up at the top. Down here, we have got you taken care of under the sink. You're going to have your convection oven in your microwave built in your normal oven here. One of the things I really like is that you're going to have some added counter space when you go ahead and fold this down as well. One of the things that's going to make this unique as well is you're going to have this charging port. Now this charging port has got you taken care of from point A to point B. So what do I mean by that? Well, you can have it nice and flat to save on counter space, or if you have more to charge, let's say you have your friends and your family, maybe some grandchildren that have tablets, you can absolutely have them charging. Hey, residential style fridge, what? Have you seen something so beautiful? Don't forget, it's not going to take 24 hours to get cold because you're all taken care of with your solar. You're taken care of right up on top of that 200-watt solar panel. The wallpaper, the nice farmhouse wood. Check out the bed. Amazing queen size bed here. You do have that full walk around, as you can see. All right, so we've got to the closet, continuing that nice farmhouse style. One of the things I really love, I know it's a small detail, is the fact that it has a full body mirror in here on both sides. That's not only good for opening up the space, making it look larger, letting that light in as well, but also giving that pristine farmhouse style. Now, ta-da, what you know this lady for? Our closet! Okay, so we've got our drawers. So this one's going to be quite deep as well. Again, we're sitting about, 3 layers deep there. You can hang all of your clothes and put your shoes here. Individual parking ports as well, individual lighting, and individual overhead parking for space. Let's check out the bathroom. I know, you're going to have your very own walk-in bathroom, but something that's going to be unique and Jayco exclusive is going to be the reinforced shower. So I want to show you what I mean by that. Okay, now don't try this at home, folks. Ready? Okay. What? No caving, no concaving, plywood everywhere. So let's talk a little bit about what you get here. Nice skylight for you as well. You get that added light, but then you have your individual shower head. All right, well, thank you so much for joining me on our interior view of our 2025 Greyhawk XL 32U. Now, if you have any more questions or you want to see this, you come and find me. We'll take a look and maybe take a test drive. Thanks so much.